Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy card that I created with the So Sincere stamp set and one of our online exclusive products, the Flowering Zinnias Designer Series paper and its coordinating sequins, which are part of a suite. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. Okay, I'm going to start with the stamping for this, and I'm using the sentiment here with my Blackberry Bliss. I'm going to stamp that onto my basic white, bring in my circle punch, line it up, and punch. I love the way the circle is forgiving as far as where you stamp your sentiment. Okay, now that I have my sentiment punched, we can start assembling. I've also punched out a decorative circle with my Berry Burst shimmer paper, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to bring in my Berry Burst cardstock, score it on the fold line, and then bring in my Designer Series paper. This paper is bold, beautiful, and bright with its patterns on both sides of it. And I'm going to first lay down this piece of paper, and then I'm going to bring in my floral piece here and adhere it down like so. And then I'm going to bring in my shimmer piece and I'm going to adhere that right here in the center. For my sentiment, I'm going to bring in my dimensionals and I'm going to pop that up. Dimensionals work well on the shimmer paper and give you a nice firm hold. Remove the backings. Pick that up, line it up, and place it right in the center here, nice and straight. Next, I'm going to bring in these adhesive back shimmer sequins, and these come in 4 colors. I'm going to use this one here today, and I'm going to pick up one of the large ones here with my tool, and then I'm going to pick up a smaller one here, and I'm going to set that right about there, and I'm going to bring one of the larger ones in, and I'm going to set it, I think right about there, just to add a little bit of shimmer and shine to this card front. That's it. It's that quick and simple. I love using this paper with its bold patterns and teaming it up with one of my favorite stamp sets, the So Sincere. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.